boys and girls. I'm at home today. Can you tell? I'm right in front of my house. And today we're going to do some ABC phonics time outside. I'm going to be using some sidewalk chalk. You guys can use sidewalk chalk, or you can just get a paper with markers, or you can do paint or watercolors. What we're going to do is I'm going to be calling out some special sounds, and you're going to be writing the special sounds that I say, and sometimes we're going to even try words. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and try to do the soft sound of. Can you write that for me? Great job. I'm going to go ahead and do it too. It's a T and H. Great job. All right, let's try this one. Can you do that one for me? Great job. That is a S and a T. Did you get that one right? Oh, good job. All right, how about this one? Soul, soul, soul. Can you try that one? Soul. That's right. It's an S and an L. Soul. Why don't we write a word with that one? How about the word sleep? Sleep. Can you do that? Soul. E. And then a P. Sleep. You're going to need two E's because the first spell's going to say its name and the second one's going to be quiet. Great job. How about sm, sm, sm? Can you do that one? That's an S and an M. Sm. Okay, I'm going to change colors because that's kind of the fun part of doing sidewalk chalk. How about this one? Tur, tur, tur. Can you try that one? That is a T and an R. Why don't we write a word with that one? Truck, truck, truck. Good. You could even circle those special sounds. TR, tur, CK, sk. Great job. All right, how about this one? Swa, swa, swa. Can you write that one? That's an S and a W. Swa. Good job, boys and girls. How about this one? Fur, fur. Can you try that one? Fur. That is a F and R. Now let's write a word with that. How about frog? Frog. Great job, boys and girls. Frog. Frog. Good job. How about this one? Tur. Tur. Can you try that one? Tur. Oh, we just did that one, huh? Well, we'll do it again. Tur. All right. How about, let me see. K. 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 Can you give that one a try? That one is a C and a K together. When you put CK together, it says K, K, K. Great job. How about spa? Let me change colors again. Spa. I got some pink this time. Spa. Can you try that one? We're going to reach all the way over. Right. Spa. 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 How about this one? Spool. Spool. If you want to, you can just add an L on that one. Spool. And you can write a word. How about this word? Splash. Splash. It'd be S-P-L-A-S-H. Good job, boys and girls. All right, how about this one? Can you try that? I have a little spot right here. The baby's sleeping. Okay, great job. How about this one? I'm going to go to the side. Can you try that? That could be an SK or it could be an SC. Good job. How about, let me change colors again because it's fun. How about full, full, full? Can you try that one? All right, here we go. Full, full, full. Good job, boys and girls. How about skr, skr, skr? Can you try that? Skr. Good job, like in scream, right? How about soul? Did I do that one? Soul, soul. that one. Sleep. Sleep. Good job, Olivia. Stretch over. Sleep. Good job, boys and girls. Let me see. What about the hard sound of ooh? Can you try that one? Let's go ahead and make that a word. Are you ready? It's like this old man. He played one. This. Good job, boys and girls. Do you see how much fun it can be to go ahead and try different ways to practice our special sounds? It doesn't always have to be with flashcards. It could be with sidewalk chalk. It could be ABC magnets. They even have ABC cookies that you can buy to make special sounds with. How about this one? Sn, sn, sn. What special sound is that? That's an S and an N. How about the blend sm? Sm. Can you try that one? Go over here. Sm. Good job, boys and girls. Do you know what I have at my house? When my grandkids come over, they like to play in the bathtub. So I bought them some bathtub markers, and I will tell them I'll use colors with them or maybe letters because they're smaller than you guys. How about this one? Dur, dur, dur. That's right, boys and girls. It's a D and a R. Dur. How about this one? Burr, burr, burr. Good job. That's right, a B and an R. All right, boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and challenge you. Why don't you try to make a sentence with one of those words, because I like your brains to grow. And when you're done, just go crazy and have fun with the sidewalk chalk. All right, guys, I'm super proud of you. We're going to do this again next week. All right, good job.